Hi, konnichiwa. In this video, you'll learn the negative form of verbs, and then we'll look at new expressions to talk about how often you do things. Let's see the dialogue. Do you often watch movies? よく映画を見ますか? Yes, I watch sometimes. はい、時々見ます。How about you, Shiro? シロさんは? I don't watch so much. あまり見ません。Let's learn the negative forms of verbs. I eat is 食べます in the polite form. I do not eat is 食べません. The assertive form I eat is 食べます. The negative form I do not eat is 食べません. So all you need to do is to change the ending ます to ません. Let's practice with other verbs. I drink is 飲みます. I do not drink is 飲みません. I see, I look at, I watch is 見ます. I do not see, I do not look at, I do not watch is 見ません. I read is 読みます. I do not read is 読みません. I write, I draw is 書きます. I do not write, I do not draw is 書きません. I talk, I speak is 話します. I do not talk, I do not speak is 話しません. I listen is 聞きます. I do not listen is 聞きません. I buy is 買います. I do not buy is 買いません. I make is 作ります. I do not make is 作りません. I sleep, I go to bed is 寝ます. I do not sleep, I do not go to bed is 寝ません. I wake up, I get up is 起きます. I do not wake up, I do not get up is 起きません. I go is 行きます. I do not go is 行きません. I do is します. I do not do is しません. I do cooking is 料理します. I do not do cooking is 料理しません. I do cleaning is 掃除します. I do not do cleaning is 掃除しません. I do laundry is 洗濯します. I do not do laundry is 洗濯しません. Let's learn new expressions so that you can tell how often you do things. I watch every day. 毎日見ます. I watch often. よく見ます。I watch sometimes. 時々見ます。I don't watch so much. あまり見ません。I don't watch at all. 全然見ません。Here's a memory tip that may work for some people. The adverb for not at all is 全然, which is just like Zen for Zen meditation. So this phrase, I do not move at all during Zen meditation, may help you memorize Zen Zen. Now let's look at each sentence. The first sentence is よく映画を見ますか?よく映画を見ますか? This is the verb 見ます with か at the end. So 見ますか means do you watch? 映画 means movies. So 映画を見ますか means do you watch movies? We just learned that よく means often. So altogether, よく映画を見ますか means do you watch movies often? The next sentence is はい、時々見ます。はい、時々見ます。Again, 見ます is a verb for watch. We just learned that 時々 means sometimes. So 時々見ます means I watch sometimes. You may be thinking why not 時々映画を見ます which is totally fine as a full sentence that means I watch movies sometimes. But in this case, we are obviously talking about watching movies. So we don't need to keep saying 映画を in this case. So altogether, はい、時々見ます means yes, I watch sometimes. The next sentence is シロさんはシロさんはシロさんは means how about you, Shiro? You may be thinking why not あなたは using the actual word for you. But Japanese avoid calling people あなた. It's more natural to call a person by the name. So シロさんは is just like how about you? The next sentence is あまり見ません。あまり見ません。あまり was the negative form of verb ません means I do not do the verb action so much. 見ません is the negative form of 見ます so it means I do not watch. So あまり見ません means I do not watch so much. Let's see more examples. Do you often read books? よく本を読みますか? Yes, I read sometimes. はい、時々読みます。How about you, シロ? シロさんは? I don't read so much. あまり読みません。Do you often do cleaning? よく掃除しますか? No, I don't do at all. いいえ、全然しません。How about you, シロ? シロさんは? I do every day. 毎日します。 Key takeaways. 1. Can you say, I watch movies in Japanese? 映画を見ます。2. Can you say, I do not watch movies? 映画を見ません。3. Can you say, I watch movies every day? 毎日映画を見ます。4. Can you say, I watch movies often? よく映画を見ます。5. Can you say, I watch movies sometimes? 時々映画を見ます。6. Can you say, I do not watch movies so much? あまり映画を見ません。7. Can you say, I do not watch movies at all? 全然映画を見ません。Hi, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. ありがとうございます。Thank you.